Hello everybody, this is Nora, and on this video today I am going to be using for the first time SheModern's Pearlescent Shimmer powders that you're going to see pop up here really quick. Okay, here they are. So the orange is orange peach and the green is green apple. So these are a dust powder. They are not glitters, and it was my very first time working with them. So you're going to see my mistakes and discovers with this. So here I decided to use the orange as a finish to these two nails right here. So I used an orange, that color that I show you as a base, and then I went over with the pearlescent for that pretty pearl finish on those two nails. That was very easy. Yes, I used yellow scupper as a top coat to help that powder adhere well, and then I finished it up with out the door and then these two embellishments. So yeah, these were the easy nails, easy peasy, very pretty. I was happy with the finish. Now here, okay, so this is how I started out by actually stamping the images like I have done with powder, with the glitter. And they turned out beautifully. However, when I went to stamp them, because the pearlescent powder was too translucent, it was not pigmented enough, and these powders are more, the colors that I chose, they're more in the pastel family. Okay, so then I thought, okay, well, let's see what happens if I just go straight to applying the powder on my nail, and there you saw what happened. That was the first failure. I did not let my regular polish dry enough. And here's another try with that. Again, I thought I waited 30 minutes for this polish to dry, and no. Oh my gosh. Yeah, okay. This is in slow motion. And now maybe, I mean, just this polish, I don't know, it just wouldn't dry. The glue was too strong. No matter what I did, I could not pull on the polish. So this was my solution. I repainted my nails. I figure I'm just going to make stickers, and I am going to make them using a gel top coat. So there I'm curing the top coat. I placed it on my silicone mat. Then I went over with the foil glue, let it dry, and then I went over with the stencil to apply the powder directly to it, as you can see here. And I knew the top coat, I knew it was going to come off the silicone mat, but it was really easy to remove. And when I tried this with a regular top coat, guys, not a gel top coat, it got ruined because it was just too soft. The glue, it just all turned into one thing, gooply goop, and no, it did not work. So that's why I resorted to gel. Here I am lining up the wings so I can bring over the body at the same alignment as the wings and do the powder in a different color. So that's what you want to do, is make sure it's lined up the same way. So press down. So this is what you would normally do to your nail. And if I used gel polish, it would have been fine. I wouldn't have pulled on it. But I want to show you how to do this, the possible way of doing it, getting away with it with regular polish. Still with the help of some gel, but you don't have to apply it directly to your nails. So yes, I cut around my sticker. I was very happy with how that little birdie turned out. Then I went ahead and applied the foil glue to my sticker, and then I applied it to my nail. And yes, I have enough pigment. I was very happy with how it turned out as far as the pigment and the colors, and still keeping, with that pastel feel of the mani. Very pretty. There you see it. And this is without top coat. Now I'm going to create the mushroom. These are the two layers, again, with a no wipe top coat, guys. No wipe top coat for gel. So I'm going to create my sticker. If you guys have questions about this, please leave them below, and I'll be more than happy to answer for you. There I'm going with the foil glue, let it dry, and then I am applying my stencil. You have to be conscious of which layers go first, okay? So you want to apply what you're going to see on the top. So you're kind of working backwards. The final result, whatever color you think you're going to see on top, that's the first one that you apply. Then you apply the second image, what's going to be the backdrop of that first. Hopefully this is making sense. So because this is like a reverse stamping. And then you flip the image over and you saw how much more pigmented it's on the other side. So yes, I cut around my mushroom here. You try to get as close to the design as possible, that your hands and eyes coordination allow you to. Apply your foil glue, and I didn't show you the application of this mushroom, but here it is on my nail, and this is without top coat. So on the application of top coat, I did use regular top coat. You want to apply a very generous amount of top coat. Let the first coat completely dry before applying the second one, so that the sticker appears seamless as possible. But I did not have any problems with this sticking to my nail. It was completely stuck. I mean, the entire perimeter of the edge of the sticker, it stuck well to my nail without using that foil glue. So I was very happy with the result. So here's the final result after I applied top coat and cleaned up. So if you guys have any questions, again, leave them below and I'm happy to answer. I'd like to thank SheModern for sending me these products to play with and review. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.